Making a fantastic cup of latte or cappuccino should no longer be an agonizing adventure. You can buy the best handheld milk frother at an incredibly low price today. A milk frother brings barista qualities into your kitchen. Of course, there are many frothers to pick from. You need to know the many features that make a frother stand out, and that is why we are here to help you pick yours.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 5. Café Casa Frothy Hand Mixer and Milk Frother. A lot can be said about the Café Casa Frothy Hand Mixer and Milk Frother. This is a kitchen gadget that has the capacity to revolutionize your kitchen. With this frother, you will start making professional barista lattes, cappuccinos, and other beverages. The 18/8 stainless steel that has been food-proofed is one of the different types of materials used to make the frother. For enhanced robustness and durability, the shaft of the whisk is hardened, hence protecting the wand against damage. The chrome versions of the frother come with satin handles that are electroplated with brass and chrome. The performance of the foamer can reach up to 150 uses thanks to the efficient usage of the 2 AA batteries. The superior performance of this gadget is guaranteed by the motor, which runs between 13,000 and 15,000 RPMs. The two speeds of the tool make it a perfect fit for your domestic kitchen. After just 20 seconds of whisking, you should get thick froth from your milk. Number 4. PowerLix Milk Frother Complete Set. Adding froth in your drinks should never be a hard thing when all should do is buy the very affordable PowerLink frother. 2 AA batteries power this handheld gadget. It is the perfect kitchen tool to own if you love your coffee extra frothy. These rechargeable batteries make the device easily portable and without having to worry about power cords. It will become your magic froth wand that amazes your family and guests. Depending on the type of liquid you are working on, this foamer takes between 20 to 50 seconds to give thick froth. With a strong motor that can whirl at a speed of 19,000 RPM, there is no beverage you can't use it for. The durable double springs fitted in the frother ensure that you enjoy frothy milk and coffees for many years. Its ergonomic design makes it a suitable fit for your modern kitchen and lifestyle. Number 3. BASECENT Milk D Handheld Electric. Are you looking for a frother that adds style and quality into your kitchen? Well, the BASECENT Milk Frother, which is handheld and electrical, will definitely make your kitchen a source of high-quality coffees and a whole lot of other beverages. It creates rich, creamy froth that you can only get from expert baristas. It uses 3 AAA batteries and boasts of double steel whisks. The powerful motor installed in the frother runs at 21,000 RPM, and this allows it to froth foam from milk in just 12 seconds. It is a versatile kitchen tool that can also be used as a stirrer for drinks or a blender for milkshakes, soup, or cocktails. You can also use it as an egg beater. The manufacturer has used food-grade stainless steel, hence making the double whisk reliable and easy to clean. You can detach the whisk, and this makes it easier to wash than many foamers. Number 2. aerolatte 004 Milk Foamer. It is now 2 decades since Alan and Gary founded aerolatte. The aerolatte 004 Milk Foamer remains a favorite frother for many lovers of quality frothy coffee and other beverages. This frother exudes a polished chrome finish that makes it durable as well as stylish. Aerolatte has used stainless steel and plastic in making it classy and durable. The elements that you won't find in the frother are lead, cadmium, and phthalates, which then makes this kitchen tool safe and durable. It is also BPA-free and Prop 65 compliant. With this versatile kitchen tool, you can make frothy hot or cold beverages from almond, soy, dairy milk, or hemp. By simply holding the on power button for at most 60 seconds, you get to enjoy consistent froth. The 004 milk foamer from aerolatte is fitted with two AA alkaline batteries that power it for up to 150 uses. You shouldn't, therefore, be bothered if you live in off-the-grid place or are going for a picnic. Given that it weighs only 3.5 ounces, it is easy to see why many kitchen enthusiasts would fall in love with it. Number 1. FoodVille MF02 Rechargeable Milk Frother. The FoodVille MF02 Rechargeable Milk Frother is the perfect kitchen equipment you need if you are looking forward to making cafe standard coffees and lattes. It is a tool that will transform not only your cooking styles, but the recipes you produce from your kitchen. It comes with two versatile whisks that will help you make top-quality frothy coffees, milkshakes, eggs, and salad dressings in just 5 minutes. With this frother, you will impress your family and friends with yummy cloud eggs, whipped creams, and mixed cake batters. For better and smooth operation of the tool, FoodVille has armed the frother with 3 gears that let you pick speeds of 19,000 RPM, 21,000 RPM, and 23,000 RPM. The one-touch button makes this one of the best handheld milk frothers in the market. It goes without saying that the higher the RPMs you choose, the thicker the foam you will get. The MF02 milk frother is rechargeable, and you can use it continuously for 4 hours with a single charge. It is equipped with AAA batteries and a USB charging cable. The innovative premium motor installed in the frother serves at making the tool reliable and durable. That was our list of the top 5 best handheld milk frother just for you.